Welcome to this lesson on horizontal asymptotes and limits at infinity. Today, we are going to master how to identify the long-term behavior of functions, a key concept in calculus. So, what exactly is a horizontal asymptote? Simply put, it is a horizontal line that a function approaches as the input value x gets extremely large or extremely small. It tells us where the function is heading in the long run. In mathematics, we express this using limit notation. We write the limit of f of x as x approaches infinity equals L. If this limit gives us a finite number, then the line y equals L is our horizontal asymptote. When dealing with rational functions, there are three simple rules. First, if the degree of the numerator is less than the degree of the denominator, the function is bottom-heavy. In this case, the horizontal asymptote is always the x-axis, or the line y equals 0. Second, if the degree of the numerator equals the degree of the denominator, we simply divide the leading coefficients. The horizontal asymptote is the line y equals the ratio of these two numbers. Third, if the degree of the numerator is greater than the degree of the denominator, the function is top-heavy. In this scenario, there is no horizontal asymptote. The function grows without bound towards positive or negative infinity. Let's look at an example. Here we have the function 3x plus 1 divided by x squared minus 4. The degree of the top is 1 and the degree of the bottom is 2. Since 1 is less than 2, the asymptote is y equals 0. Now consider this function. 8x cubed minus 2 divided by 4x cubed plus 5x. Both degrees are 3. Since they are equal, we take the ratio of 8 divided by 4. This gives us a horizontal asymptote of y equals 2. To recap, compare the degrees. If the bottom is bigger, it's 0. If they are the same, divide the coefficients. If the top is bigger, there is no horizontal asymptote. Keep these rules in mind, and you will solve these problems in seconds.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.